Internet related terms: www, URL, web page and website, homepage, hyperlink and hypertext, netsurfing, etc. www and URL. www. www stands for World Wide Web. www is an information system that is available online on the internet. Okay? It was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in year 1989, and so he is known as the father of www. So who is the father of www? Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Next is URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address of the website. For example, www.funbrain.com, it is a URL. Similarly, www.coolmathforkids.com is another example of URL. Alright. Next is web page and website. A web page is a document that is available online and can be accessed through web browser. It contains information in the form of text, graphics, videos, audios, animations, and hyperlinks. Similarly, a website is a collection of related web pages. The pages of a website are often linked to each other through hyperlinks. Next is your homepage. Homepage is the first page, or we can say it is the main page of a website. Homepage is also known as start page. Okay? It contains those links through which you can jump to all other web pages within the website. Alright? Next is hyperlink and hypertext. The text on which when we click takes us to some other web page is called hypertext. The mouse pointer, whenever moved or placed on this hypertext, changes into pointing hand. Okay, you must have seen it. Next is whenever we click on the hypertext, it will open up a linked page which is known as the hyperlink. Next is netsurfing. Netsurfing is also known as web surfing, as net means internet, so it is also known as web surfing. Netsurfing is the act of exploring any website without searching for any particular information. Okay, the person just spend times over the internet watching one thing or another, but does not search any specific thing. Okay. The person involved in this net surfing is known as surfer or net surfer. Okay. The surfer usually follows hyperlinks to jump from one web page to another. The term surfing the internet was first coined by Jean Armour Polley. Okay. Next is search engine. Search engine is a program that enables the user to find specific information available on the web. A user writes the keywords for required information in the search box. The search engine then searches and displays the results in the form of links. Some popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. The last topic is steps to search information on search engine. Children, you can see here the steps are very easy. Open a web browser. You can use any web browser. I have written here Google Chrome, for example. Okay. Next is enter the address of the required search engine in its address bar, like www.google.com. Next is in the search box, type the keywords related to your search, like if you want to search for the topic types of software, you can write it. Okay. And at last, press enter key. Next is your web browser. A web browser is an application software which helps in browsing the www or web in short. It helps the user in accessing information on the internet. It is used to search for various websites and web pages. A variety of web browsers are designed to run on different operating systems. Some commonly used browsers are Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, and others you can see in the image also. Next is components of a browser window. We can use any browser. Every browser window has some common parts. Here we will discuss about Google Chrome. Children, you can see in the image there are certain names, like see here, this is your back button, this is your forward button, this is refresh or reload the page button, this is a tab, then this small is your new tab, or you can add a new tab with the help of this. Then this entire thing is your, this space is known as your address bar. Then here we can add or edit bookmarks, and these are the tools. Children, I hope you have understood this much. Now we will continue the rest of the topics in the next video. Okay children, I hope you have understood all the topics very well. Thank you children.